we have a very beautiful card. Look how beautiful that picture is. So cute. Little girl with her flowers. Such a beautiful one. And you know what's on the back side? Look at this. A recipe. A Norwegian Roast Venison. Look at that with the roast, salt pork, salt and pepper, white vinegar, flour to thicken, and sour cream. Alright, you can pause this video and get the whole recipe for this. Isn't that cool? What a beautiful thing. The whole recipe on a nice card. Love it. Okay, now let's take a look at some more cards. Postcards. This one happens just to be a card. But we have some beautiful postcards. Okay, this is Colorado. Hotel and swimming pool. Glenwood Springs. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Need to make it so we can see the whole thing. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. The architect is beautiful. I love it. And have a nice slide in the water there. Nice. Very old too. Well, it had a stamp at one time. Can you imagine that? Where you didn't have to have the street address. Isn't that cool? Okay. Then we'll show you another one here. It says Wagons Ho. How the West Began. Ooh, look at that. Giving you all these different pictures. Oh, nice. Ah, good old Western show, huh? Look at that. Beautiful places to turn around and go see. Ah, I happen to have everything for that. Done a video on it once too. I'd gotten it from a neighbor who had it all, and it was like, ah. Tried it out. My granddaughter joined me on it and stuff. All right. And this is everything you want to read about it. Of course, you can always pause the video. Beautiful. Love it. Okay. Ooh. Clinton Historical Museum in New Jersey. Okay, nice museum. Look at that. The whole wheel there for the water. Different style kind of house, isn't it? Look how that's built. Have the extra rooms on top there like that. Nice. Used to see a lot of these up by the old mills, you know. Nice to go visit. I'd like to go see it because it's a museum. Love museums. They're always nice to visit. So this is one of their postcards. It's an unused postcard, of course. Beautiful. It's always nice to look at postcards. It's like going through an old photo album. Okay. National Cheongsam. Okay. Somewhere else to go see. Wow. Very neat looking, huh? All right. Our next one is the Islands, Ontario. Ah, the Islands in Ontario. I don't know about living on a little island like that. I mean, it's a lot of privacy. It's kind of neat. But I always would wonder about the water while you're sleeping at night. I'm afraid the water would rise, you know, like some dam up ahead broke. Come down, flood me out while I'm sleeping. Not quite the way I want to go. Okay, and Chocolate Avenue, Hershey, Pennsylvania. Look at that. Chocolate, chocolate. Boy, they put a lot of street signs all over the place. Some of the nice old cars. Alright, and there's a little bit about it if you want to read it. Just pause the video. Not a very old one, because this photo is from 1993 from Dan Emerson. So not super old. Okay. Chimney Rock, North Carolina. Chimney Rock. Nice. Alright, if you want to read a little bit about it. Just to give you ideas on where to take a trip. We can get out now. Time to go visit some nice vacation places. So hopefully you save some of your stimulus money and you can go on a trip. Yeah, enjoy the summer. Okay, Royal Canadian Mountain Police. Musical ride. Oh, okay. Wow, isn't that nice? Beautiful. I just love them in those uniforms, don't you? So neat and proper. Pride. They look like they have a lot of pride. Very nice. They take good care of their horses. Uniforms are right on. Very nice. Love it. Okay. Greetings from Canada. Cape Breton. Look at that dam. I'll see, that's why I wouldn't want to be in all those little islands. What if that dam broke? Oh, I know, I'm being silly. Can't help it. Okay. Nutting Hall. Okay. Nutting Hall. Very different. Really pretty at nighttime, all lit up like that, isn't it? With the snow. A little bit of snow. Nice, nice. Don't have too much about it. Okay, this is just pretty because it's a swan. The Great Champita, North America. Okay, just some beautiful swans. On the water. Beautiful birds, ain't they? Peaceful. Relaxing. Chilling out. Okay, woodland. Ooh. Okay, well, this one was somebody ordering seeds. They used this postcard. Thought there'd be a little bit more. Woodland condominiums. Alright. And our last one here. From Greece. Beautiful. I think more to show her outfit. Very nice how they dress. Some pretty good stamps on it too. because I put the stamps on the postcard upside down. Okay, but from Greece. Very nice. Alright. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing them to you. Be sure to share them with others. It's always nice to look. Don't hurt to look either. Enjoy them. Okay, bye-bye.